Hi! It's really challenging nowadays to find the best products. It would be awesome if you can find a reliable source to know which products are the best. That's why we came here to help you to choose the best product that can bring the best output that you're looking for. In this video, we have listed the top 5 best products. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video.
Finding the best product that fits your budget can be a challenge, however. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, we did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best 110v MIG welders from reputable brands. So let's get started. Number 1. Willpro 110v Multi-Process MIG Welder. The Willpro MIG 200G DSV 110v multi-process welder provides MIG, TIG, flux core and stick R capability in a single box. Willpro includes both a MIG and TIG torch with this machine, as well as a MIG gas regulator. The lightweight design only weighs 30 pounds. It features a durable all-aluminum wire drive mechanism that mounts both 4-inch and 8-inch wire spools. This is a dual-voltage input machine, allowing you to plug into a 110 to 120 volt or 220 to 240 volt source. When running on 110v MIG, you can weld from 25 to 140 amps output. That's enough to get you from 24 gauge sheet metal up to 1/8 inch steel. On 240 volt power, the Willpro MIG 200G DSV 110v multi-process welder can get you up to 3/8 inch thick steel. If you want to run TIG, you're going to need a TIG gas regulator, which costs extra. The Willpro MIG 200G DSV 110v multi-process welder can't use a foot pedal for heat control, but it does have a 2T4T trigger lock for long TIG weld runs. This machine uses a lift-type arc start for TIG, and has automatic arc control. Positive side of this product includes MIG gas regulator. Comes with MIG and TIG torches. 13-foot TIG connection. Mounts 4 and 8-inch rolls. Lift-type TIG start. Negative side of this product, TIG gas regulator costs extra. Not foot pedal capable. Number 2. 40 Easy Weld 110v MIG Welder. The overall best 110 volt welder is the 40 Easy Weld MIG Welder 271. While it doesn't have the same capability as a machine with 240 volt input capacity, it's used in many workshops as a dependable light gauge welder. You can MIG, stick, and TIG weld with it, which is really handy if you need diversity in your welding. You also don't lose the reliability that most sole-purpose machines offer in a singular discipline. The 40 Easy Weld 271 has been designed primarily as a MIG machine and unfortunately doesn't include a TIG torch. But it fits standard TIG torch connectors, and it doesn't cost much to buy a decent torch to go with it. You will want weld plates up to 1/4 inch thick and no more unless you're welding multiple passes. Unlike many other welding machines, regardless of your welding ability, this machine caters to the masses. It's easy for beginners to learn on, and has one of the best instruction manuals on the market. Many welding manuals are difficult to understand, especially with welders running off 110 volts. But this is definitely an exception. It's also an ideal machine if you're an experienced welder and want a low-priced versatile machine for light work. In conclusion, we highly recommend this welder due to its extensive capability, ease of use, and affordability. It's a shame it doesn't come with a TIG torch, but considering there are very few exclusively 110 volt TIG machines, it's a bonus that this has TIG capability, if you're willing to spend a little extra on a separate torch. Positive side of this product. Designed for hobbyist and workshop use. High quality. Simple manual to follow. Negative side of this product. No TIG torch. Number 3. Hobart Handler 140 110v MIG Welder. If you need a 110 volt MIG welder, then Hobart's 500,559 Handler 140 MIG Welder is a machine many depend on for their light-duty MIG jobs. It's one of the best 110 volt machines on the market, and displays Hobart's trustworthy name through its excellent construction. It isn't a complex machine with vast capabilities, but it MIG welds up to 1/4 inch of mild steel with ease, and is incredibly simple to use. Someone with only basic welding knowledge can set it up and have it running in no time. The Hobart 500,559 runs a high-quality bead, and it doesn't produce excessive spatter like many 110 volt MIG machines. It fires a smooth, stable arc that makes welding consistent runs a breeze. Also, if you need to minimize the amperage low enough to MIG weld light sheet metal butt joints, it will do so comfortably without blowing through the sheet like a tidy TIG welder. If you're looking for diversity or want extensive MIG settings for your welder, then this probably isn't the best welder for you. But for a basic yet high-quality machine, this will serve you well. However, bear in mind that the supplemental welding chart is not very accurate, so you'll fare better with some knowledge of setting adjustments, or at least be comfortable playing with trial and error to produce the best welds. There are only 2 setting dials to adjust, which are not difficult to learn, but you can't rely on the chart for accuracy. Positive side of this product: low price, low amperage capability, simple to use, top quality machine. Dependable welder. Negative side of this product: welding chart not accurate. Number 4. Willpro Digital TIG 200GD 110V TIG stick welder. If you're a TIG welder who doesn't have access to a 240V wall plug, we recommend the Willpro Digital TIG 200GD TIG welder. It has the highest amperage range in our list of machines, and does a good job with 110V. However, adding a 30A breaker will help you reach more amperage without issues. Out of all the types of electric welders, TIG machines struggle the most off of 110V, so it's recommended to only weld thin sections, and not expect too much out of the machine. But this can still weld most metals, including stainless steel and aluminum from 110V. The Willpro comes with one of the best stock foot pedals on the market. Most TIG machines don't include pedals that work well, but this is exceptional. However, using it as a stick welder won't produce the same results as other options, so we recommend looking elsewhere, unless you only need to TIG with it. Overall, if you need to TIG weld with 110V, we can't recommend a better welder than this. It's easy to use, comes with extensive settings and welding diversity. It's a reliable welder for the hobbyist and workshop welder alike, and we're sure it won't let you down for TIG welding. Positive side of this product: good 110V TIG welding. Simple to start and arc. Well-designed foot pedal. High amperage. Negative side of this product: poor stick welding ability. Number 5. The Vohem Flux Core Wire MIG 130 welder. It's a good choice if you're on a low budget and don't mind something more basic to use. However, it's not the safest and most user-friendly welder available, but you most likely won't find anything costing you less money than this. Once you turn the machine on, the wire is constantly live whether you engage the wire or not by the gun trigger. So you need to be careful not to ignite the arc accidentally, as any metal connected to your earth that touches your wire tip will arc whether you are holding the gun or not. You can easily get used to this, but it's not the best feature basic welders like this have. The amperage range is pretty good for what it's designed for, and you don't need to worry about setting up gas lines, as it only runs flux core wire. The short gun lead is also hardwired in, so you're a little bit restricted if you want to expand your reach or change the welding gun. However, it's one of the most economical welders on the market, and does perform well when you're welding. For a budget 110V welder, it's a good choice to consider if you want to save some cash. Positive side of this product: low price, good amperage range, economical. Negative side of this product: light duty. The wire is always live when machine's on. Not the most user-friendly. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.